Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a zodiac series, and I'm really excited because I believe in zodiac signs. I don't care what your belief is, I believe in them, okay? So don't come at me, okay? I love it. Of course, I'm a Scorpio, but I wanted to start with two that I hate the most, and that's Aquarius and Aries. Mostly Aries because that's all I date. Oh my gosh. For some reason, every single time I talk to some guy, they always say that the birthday's in April, and I'm just like, why? Because I know it's going to go horribly wrong, and my dumb self keeps talking to them. Like, they all act the same. If you're an Aries, you act all the same. My mom's an Aries. We bicker and fight all the time. I'm not kidding you, I've dated like 5 Aries. It's so sad, honestly. Alright, so right here it says, Aries is the first of the 12 signs, the head of the zodiac. The sun visits the sign each spring during Aries season, which falls around March 20th to April 19th. It's important to understand the energy of this sign. Various planets travel or transit through Aries all year long, activating this sign fiery energy for everyone regardless of their sun sign. The symbol is the ram. The element is fire. Quality is cardinal. Ruling planets is Mars, the planet of war and energy. Body part, head and face. Good day, energetic, encouraging, unstoppable, bold, devoted, heroic, caring. Bad day, proud, self-centered, yes. Impulsive, bossy, stubborn, yes. Reckless and jealous, I wish. Favorite things, competitive games, yes. New clothes, road trips, debating, expressing themselves through stunning variables and physical feats. What they hate, sharing their toys, being annoyed, cramped spaces, losing in the word no. Secret wish to be number 1. Yep. How to spot them, high foreheads, focused or manic energy, aggressive stance. Yes. Alright, so I gave you the gist of what Aries are, so I'm just going to go right into it and do my makeup. I'm going to be going into my Hourglass foundation, just putting it everywhere. You know what it looks like. We're both like intense and passionate and everything, but how stubborn we are and everything, we tend to not get along. We're very passionate in what we do, and we will end up butting heads sooner or later. Going into my concealer and just this all over. What really inspired me to do this was Shannon XO's zodiac series. I absolutely loved it. I was actually thinking about, before I even like started a YouTube channel, because I was very nervous and I have speech impediment, so like I don't really like to speak or whatever, but I finally just gave in and I was just like, you know what, let me just do it. But I'm really excited to start this series because I am absolutely in love with zodiac signs. I've talked and dated probably almost all the signs. The only ones that I really never did talk to like that, like, or date on like that type of level is Leo and Cancer. I'm gonna be going into my Fit Me loose powder and just put that under my eyes. The pressed powder of the Maybelline Fit Me and just put it all over my face to set it. I don't really like to bake or anything like that. I'm too impatient. I'm too impatient to bake. Honestly, like, I'm just too impatient. Just like, get it off me. Because I really do feel like they would have very like high, but with a soft arch, like very high eyebrows. So I'm going to be going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills and just create a very high arch. All right, that's the best I can do. This eyebrow is like kind of messed up, but this eyebrow looks really good. I really like how this, I feel like an Aries would have this, like an Aries woman or a boy. I feel like they would have this like kind of like eyebrow. This one over here is just messed up. We just go say a quick prayer for this eyebrow, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go into my blood sugar palette, and I'm gonna be diving into the reds, like a deep red. I feel like Aries, I feel like everyone goes for like bright red and everything, but I really want to stick to dark plums because I feel like that's very fierce. Into cherry soda right next to prick and just coat my entire brush into it. Just gonna be tapping this into my eye and just swirl it around. I'm gonna be taking a clean brush and just buffing it in and blending it out. I'll be taking the shade beside it called Fresh Meat. I'm pressing and I'm going left with it. I'm going to be taking a Morphe Deluxe brush and just gliding this right underneath my lash line, but only going to like the middle. I don't want to go like all the way. Red eyes, you're going to look sick. You're going to look like you're about to go and barf in a toilet. You know what I'm saying? So just trust the process. I'm going to be going into my Alien palette and just picking up that purple shade right here and just packing it at the outer corner. I'm just patting this into the eye. Purples like this, for some reason it's always really hard, and I won't blame Jeffrey for that because obviously everyone complains about purples. It's just, you just really have to like keep going in and everything and buffing it out and going back into the pigmentation because you're going to lose pigment for some reason. I don't know why, but you just do. Tap over the harsh edges of the purple. You just gotta be patient and just keep going into the purple and keep blending. Honestly, I think I'm gonna be going into Moon Rock right here and just put this right here in the first inner half of my eye. Does that look pretty? My pinky, I'm gonna go into Pluto and the Alien palette and just put that in my inner corner. This looks so cool. Oh my god, I am so happy how this turned out. All right, and I'm going to be going into my inner corner and making like a cat eye effect. Dude, this eyeliner right here looks so pretty, and then this just looks like it looks like it's going through problems. And there we go. Now lastly, I'm going to put white under my eyebrow, and I'm gonna call this eye makeup a day. All right, I'm going to be going into my mascara and just put it on my lashes. I'm going to be using a Sephora 75 brush. This is literally the best brush ever for contour. This does not get raved enough. Oh my gosh. This is the best ever. It kind of like blends out itself, honestly. And you don't have to, and it creates a sharp line. You see, like, it creates a sharp line itself. It's so magical. I love it. It is not raved enough. I will rave about this. The only thing is that it's $35 freaking. Like, that's crazy. But it's really good. It's amazing. Best brush ever. I honestly don't think I'll ever part with this brush. Like, this is my very first Sephora brush. But I think it's the very first professional brush I really ever got to. So this is literally going nowhere. I'm always going to have this brush. I'm going to contour my nose. Just go underneath my nose bridge right here because I got it elongated and I don't like it. Very insecure about it. And just going to, oh, that's dirty. That's a dirty mirror. And just make my nose skinnier. I feel like I'm gonna do this green called Alien Ice. So like a green reflect type highlighter. Ooh, this is such a pretty cool highlighter. It's so pretty. I love it so much. I usually don't wear it because it's green, but if I'm ever like doing like some special like effects or whatever, this would be so pretty. Because I feel like Aries, you might disagree with me, but I feel like Aries would like stuff that's very different to show their independence and everything. And then I'm gonna put it on my nose. Anything last now is lipstick, and I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills. Do not get this. Their lipsticks, I honestly would get Jeffree Star's Ammunition lipsticks because they're so much creamier than this. But it was free lipstick day, and if you bought one, you get one free. So I got this in a not liquid lipstick, lip gloss. This is in the shade Soft Touch. I love the lip gloss, just not the lipstick because it's so dry. It's long wearing though, but Jeffree Star's Ammunition lipsticks are long wearing too and so much more creamier. Right, now I'm finished with the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really do think this is what an Aries would wear, you know, by the zodiac sign. Just by the zodiac sign. I'm sorry if you don't agree with the color or the highlight or anything like what I did. I'm sorry, but this is just what I interpret a Aries, and my next zodiac sign will be Aquarius. So stay tuned for that, and make sure you go and watch my next video. It is going to be my last video of 2018 probably. It is going to be 18 things that I learned from 2018. So hope to see you next time. Bye guys.